Now this is one of my electric Bakkies batteries. It's a 24 volt, I think it's 50 amp hour lithium battery, but if I charge them all together they don't balance. So I just want to ask them individually, charge them, and then I'll see, put them back and see what they does. But here I have some of the UPS, the old one that I would want to test, and from that it's go to the charger, and from charger go to the battery. Something like this. Here's the other 5 batteries. So that 3 is 72 volt and this is 72 volt. I connect them in parallel so I can double the amps. Yeah, but now I want to watch them individually, see what they do.